Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm on an Itagui. I think this is what it's called. At least, that's one of the, I don't even know, whatever. This thing is getting up and going, man. I'm going 11 miles per hour, give or take. No, more like, I think 9.5. And man, this is awesome. What's up? Carlos. We are headed to Gringo Tuesdays on bikes. Woo, that was obnoxious. We're literally heading over the bridge, ladies and gentlemen. Heading over the bridge on bikes. I can't remember the last time I did this. Matter of fact, I only have ever ridden a bike over a bridge. So this is quite interesting. Dare I say I'm having fun after a day of work. Losing my mind at my laptop, you know? I'm taking a video. What's up? Look at the what?
I like the view from this. Oh, look. It's in green. We wanna wait here until the stoplight turns to green and then we go because it's so straight. But you gotta be careful with your phone.
Okay.
Because to brake. If you brake or something, you can fall. Believe me.
Really? Yeah. Well, I hope you're keeping your speed up because I'm going to fly down that thing, that ramp.
This road from here to there is like, look, let's go.
Let's go. Yeah. Oh man, you gotta be careful. Woo! Boy, this would be a lot smarter if I had a GoPro, not just a one-armed bicycle accident waiting to happen. My guy, you were real close right there. Yeah, buddy. Wow. So cool. What an experience. There's the WeWork building. 24/7 Formatado. How can I be one of those obnoxious bikers? Like Mario Kart. Meow. I haven't played Mario Kart in a long time, but when I did, I was so good at it. They used to do this, excuse me, they still call it this. Snaking is the method, where you drift from side to side and you speed up. Every time you let go of the drift, every time you catch the next speed up, you drift again, and you just perpetuate that cycle so your screen literally looks like that. Oh, it's amazing. Oh. There we go. We're good. We're good. Alpha luxury interior design store called Sanita Starbucks. Oh, I remember this spot. There's the LG building. This is Zona Norte. This is the El Parte Rico de Bogota. Yo viví en Santa Fe, el parte pobre, más o menos. En comparación de esta parte, ay, Dios mío. ¿Qué tú piensas de la zona? This. Are we going? Microsoft building. ¿Qué tú piensas de Santa Fe?
Santa Fe is no good place for foreigners.
No.
No, it's definitely not the best place. The best place is around here.
So that
Useful.
what I'm hearing is I'm never going back to the south.
No, of course not. You shouldn't.
Ride bike on the sidewalk.
I need to get the hell back there. There.
It's right there.
I don't see too much people there.
Right here.
No, right there.
But not much people there, huh?
No, no outside. I don't know inside. Let's see. So we're gonna park the bikes and we come back, okay? Oh yes.
What's up? All right. Can you imagine some dude pissed drunk on one of these bikes just nailing that guy? That's it?
No, no, no.
Thanks, man. What do you think of that, Carlos? That was my first time ever on a electric bike.
It was awesome, right?
My first time ever.
It was awesome. Nice road from here.
I can't believe how much wealthier this area is compared to the south. It's kind of insane, dude. It's literally a 30-minute difference.
Yeah.
It's kind of the same in every city, though, I guess.
Yeah.
I mean, where I'm from, all you have to do is drive 20 minutes and you're in the hood. So,
Yeah, I guess in every city, in big cities.
oh my. Oh my. La realidad.
In the middle of this, right?
Bro, this is wild shit.
Let's see how it's doing right there. Maybe there is okay. That day when we went with Isa, it was Valentine's Day or something like that. So that's why it was
Valentine's Day?
Freaking cool, yeah.
Yeah.
Because I feel like, wow, the party always like this, like, wow.
I didn't go out on Tuesday for that. That would have been a great idea, though. All right, I think they got the point.